alone. And the sole survivor among 5 friends trapped by last month's floods in Khohistan in Pakistan has been telling ALjazeera about his experience. Our team met him and heard his story.
My name is Ubaidullah. I am 24 years old. I am one of the 5 people who were stuck in the flood. I can never forget the 25th of August. It was a horrific day for us. It was early morning and it was raining heavily, so I decided to move my vehicle to a safe place. When I came down, my friends also joined me. We were moving towards the bazaar with our vehicles. We saw the torrent heading towards us, so we ran and climbed a big rock to seek refuge. We were soon surrounded by raging waters. We called the Deputy Commissioner office to tell them that we were stuck on a rock and for God's sake to help us because our lives were at stake. We kept pleading for help for 5 hours, but there was no response. My friends were all panicking and were crying. Bilal was scared and called his father and told him, "Baba, I have been a disobedient son. Please forgive me. I will not survive. I am in a struggle of life and death. Pray for me." Anwar and Riaz were also crying and calling their families to tell them that their lives were in danger and to pray for them. Anwar offered his prayers on a rock while the others were reciting verses from the Quran. Just across from our villagers and family members were trying to throw ropes to save us. My friends told me I should grab the rope and go first, and they tied me up. Suddenly, a big wave came smashing on the rock, and I was able to cling on to the rope, but all my friends were swept away. It is very painful for me that I could not do anything for my friends. If there was a helicopter for rescue, my friends would still be alive and with me. My friends were lost because of negligence of the authorities. When I got out of the torrent, my family thanked Allah and told me that our home, vehicles, shops and fields were all gone. After the incident, I felt in my heart that I should stand up for my people to the last breath and by Allah's help to serve my people. Our Pakistani brothers and sisters are sending aid and I am helping with distribution of food and medicine. It is my duty. I have nothing left, but I will do whatever I can for my people. I have dedicated my life to my people.